Hello everyone, how are you today? In today's lesson, we're going to listen to a simple and relaxing conversation at a cafe. You will follow a short story about two co-workers taking a break together at a cafe. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand easily. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Before we begin, here is a small question for you. What kind of coffee does John like to drink? Listen carefully and try to find the answer. If you know the answer, write it in the comments. This will help improve your English even faster. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Oh, I feel so tired today. You look tired, John. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I really need a break.
Same here. I've been working all day. I need a rest too.
It's been a long day. Do you want to grab a drink?
A drink? That sounds nice. What do you want?
I think I want coffee.
What about you?
Coffee sounds perfect. I need some energy.
Me too. Coffee always helps me feel better.
Let's go to a cafe.
Great idea. Do you know a good one nearby?
Yes, there's a new cafe just around the corner.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it opened recently. I've been there a few times.
That sounds great. Let's go.
Wait a minute. Let me finish this email.
Sure, take your time. I'll grab my bag.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go. Wow, this cafe looks really nice.
Wait until you see inside.
Wow, it's even better inside. It feels very cozy. And it smells amazing, fresh coffee.
Yes, I love that smell.
Look at the tables and chairs. They look comfortable. And the counter is very clean.
They also have cakes and sandwiches.
Everything looks delicious. No wonder it's busy today.
Yes, it's a popular place. These chairs are really comfortable.
Yeah, I already like this place.
Let's check the menu.
Okay, what do you want?
There are so many choices.
They have coffee, tea, lattes, cappuccinos.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam.
Oh, I see. I think I'll get a latte.
Hot or iced?
I want something cold today. I'll get an iced latte.
Nice. I'll get a hot coffee.
Do you want sugar or milk?
No, I like black coffee. No sugar, no milk.
Wow, that's strong.
I like strong coffee.
Let's order some food too. I'm a little hungry.
Me too. They have cakes, sandwiches, and cookies. That cake looks really good. Yes, I'll get the cake.
I'll get a sandwich. I'm very hungry.
I'll go order for us.
Are you sure?
Yes, no problem. Hi, can I get one iced latte and one hot coffee?
Sure, what size?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar?
Just a little in the latte, none in the coffee.
Anything to eat?
Yes, one sandwich and one piece of cake.
For here or to go?
For here.
Your total is $12.50. Thank you.
Our drinks are here.
Finally, I'm so hungry. Careful, your coffee is hot.
Let me try. Wow, it's strong and delicious. That's how I like it.
My iced latte is so smooth and refreshing.
Is it sweet?
Yes, just a little. It's perfect. Let me try the cake.
How is it?
It's soft and sweet. Really good.
Try my sandwich.
Wow, it's fresh and tasty.
Everything here is amazing. I feel much better now.
Me too. This was a great idea. We should come here again.
Definitely. Maybe next week.
Sounds good. Next time, I want to try a cappuccino.
And I want to try espresso.
We should also try the cookies.
Yes, and maybe tea next time.
There are so many things to try. We should go back to work now.
Yeah, but I want to stay longer.
Me too, but let's go. How was the story? Now, let me ask you again, what kind of coffee does John like? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. Even a simple sentence is great practice. On this channel, we share slow and easy English conversations to help you improve your listening and speaking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye.